Alright guys, just going to show you real quick. Got the HF FT-857d in the Challenger. Running the ATAS-100. And the Diamond 720, I think it is. Handles 200 watts. I'm tuned for 20 meters right now. Let me hop in here. Used a Kydeck mount. Even made a little holster for the microphone. Holds the mic right on the side there. I had to put the speaker right over there. I didn't want to block that little light sensor. And there's a speaker there in the middle. See a speaker over on the right and the left. So I had to put it right there. Hit the lock button here. Oh sure, he unkeyed right when I tuned him in. Okay.
I heard somebody way down in the north. Sorry, I didn't catch the prefix.
I find that when I have the speaker right up by the windshield, it reflects back. It works pretty good. I tried having the speaker below on the floor. It just doesn't work out. I'll probably have to do something like that on Sue's car because it's a little bit too muffled. But I'm pretty happy with it. This is the setup. And the 500 horsepower Challenger. Thanks for watching.